In order to fix frozen or unresponsive screen on a Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can perform force restart of the phone. And in order to do that, you just have to press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So press and hold both of these buttons and just keep holding until the screen completely freezes. If you still see like the scrolling text emergency, then of course you can just keep holding. But once you see like it's frozen or something, or once it completely shuts down, then you can release these two buttons, and now you just have to patiently wait for the phone to turn back on. And it seems, at least in my case, unfortunately, Google Pixel 11 takes some time to properly force restart, which means that you might need to be patient and wait even a minute or so to let the phone turn itself back on. But you don't have to press the power button. The phone is going to turn itself back on for sure. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully after that force restart, the screen is going to be usable again. Leave a like and subscribe.